Hello students, welcome back to our maths class. Last class we discussed about uh, how to add, how to subtract algebraic expressions, right? There we find how to combine the like terms and how to add and how to subtract. Okay, so next we are moving on to how to find the value of an expressions. Okay, we know in an algebraic expressions are formed using variables and constants. So definitely the value of the expression depends on the value of the variable. Okay, here we can move on to the first question. If m is equal to 2, if m is equal to 2, find the value of 3m minus 5. So here the expression is 3m minus 5. We want to find the value of this expression if when m is equal to 2. Okay, so here we can substitute. We can write here 3m minus 5. We want to find the value of this expression when m is equal to 2. So here we can substitute here. Here the variable is m. So we can substitute the 2. M is equal to 2. That is 3 into 2 minus 5. Okay. That is equal to 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 5. Which is equal to 6 minus 5, it is 1. So the value of this expression when m is equal to 2 is what? 1. Okay, so definitely this value depends on the value of the variable. Okay students, got it? Suppose in geometry we used to find the area of square. We know the formula for area of square. What's the formula for area of square? Area of square is equal to a square. That means a is length of one side of a square. That means for square all sides are equal. Okay. So here if a is equal to, if the length of one side, that means a is equal to 5. A is equal to 5, then what is the area of square? Area of square is equal to a square. That means we want to substitute here. If a is equal to what? 5. That is 5 square. That is 25. 5 square means what? A number multiplied by itself. That means 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is what? 25. So this way we use to find the value of an expression. In geometry we usually use the formulas. No, there we use the variables. We use the variables to denote the formulas. So depends on the variable value of the variable, the value of the that area. That means here the area will change. If a is equal to 10, what is the area of square? It is 10 square, right? 10 square means 100. Okay, like that we can find the value of an expression. Okay students, got it? Next we can move on to if x question. That means if x equal to -1, find the value of the expression x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so this is our expression. That is x square plus 2x plus 1. We know here variable is what? X. Variable is x. So here we want to substitute the value x equal to -1. X equal to -1. That means, see here, when x equal to -1, here x square, here x, we want to give the value -1, that is -1 whole square plus 2 into, here also x, for x we want to give the value -1 plus 1. Okay, now see this, -1 square, that means negative 1 into negative 1. Negative 1 into negative 1 we already know it is 1. Negative into negative it is positive. So we can write here 1 plus 2 into negative 1. 2 into negative 1 it is negative 2. Now plus 1. Okay. Now we can add this 2. That means 1 plus 1 it is 2. Again plus into minus, minus 2. So our final answer is what? 2 minus 2 it is 0. So here for x equal to negative 1, the expression, that means the value of this expression is what? 0. We just substitute for x equal to negative 1. Here negative 1 whole square means negative 1 into negative 1 is 1. So 1 plus negative 2 plus 1. 1 plus 1 it is 2. 2 minus 2 it is 0. Got it, students? So next question. If p is equal to negative 10, find the value of p square minus 2p minus 100. So in this expression, the variable is what? P. So here we want to substitute p is equal to, that is p is equal to negative 10. Okay. So that means, see this, we can write as, that means p square minus 2p minus 100 is our expression. So we can substitute p is equal to s negative 10. That means p of negative 10 square minus 2 into p. Instead of the p we want to give here negative 10 minus 100. Okay. Now we know negative 10 square means negative 10 into negative 10. Right. It is negative 10 into negative 10. We know that 10 into 10 it is 100. And we know negative into negative it is positive. So we can write here 100 minus 2 into negative 10 it is negative 20 minus 100, which is equal to 100. Negative into negative we can write it as plus 20 minus 100. Okay. Now see this 100 minus 100 it is 0. So our answer is what? 20. Got it? So here the variable is p is equal to negative 10 and substitute p equal to negative 10 and finally we got the answer as what? 20. Got it? Next question. When a equal to 0, b equal to minus 1, find the value of a square plus ab plus 2. The last question, there is only one variable. Here we are dealing with two variables. Okay, so in this expression there are two variables. What are they? A and b. So for that a equal to 0 and b equal to minus 1. We want to substitute the value. Okay, so we can take the expression first. That means a square plus ab plus 2. So here, what's a here? A equal to 0. So we can give the value 0 square plus here a equal to 0 into b it is negative 1 plus next comes 2. Okay. We know 0 square is what's a number? Multiply with 0 now. That means 0 into 0. 0 into 0 is what? 0. A number multiplied with the 0 is also what? 0. Here it is 0 square means that is also what? 0. 0 plus 0 into negative 1. Okay, 0 multiplied by any number. The value is what? 0. So that means 0 plus 2. So what is our final answer? 0 plus 0 plus 2 it is 2. So our answer is 2. Okay, so here we are dealing with two variables. So substitute the values for the variables and finally find the answer. That's all. Okay, so this way we are finding the value of an expression. So we discussed what is meant by algebraic expressions and its terms and like terms, unlike terms, how to add, how to subtract, and also last this find the value of an expression. Okay, students. So that's all. Hope you all understood. Thank you.